If your business location is not appearing on Instagram, there are several reasons why this might be happening. One reason is that your business location may be missing from Instagram's map, which is likely because it is not listed on Facebook, as Instagram uses Facebook's map data. Additionally, an incorrect location address could be the culprit, so it's essential to ensure that your business address is accurate. New businesses may also experience issues, as Instagram may not recognize them until they are verified. Technical glitches, such as local bugs or issues caused by updates, can also cause temporary problems with displaying your location. To add an address on Instagram, start by opening your Facebook account and creating a post or selecting the "What's on your mind" option. From there, choose the check-in option. Tap the plus sign and add your new location address. Then save it. After linking your Instagram account to your Facebook account, wait 48 hours for your business location to appear on the Instagram map. And then you can add it to your profile, posts, or stories. By understanding these potential issues and following the steps to add your address, you can resolve the problem and get your business location visible on Instagram.